To set up and use the dynamic lock screen feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Tap change wallpaper. Alternatively, you can go to this menu to change your lock screen wallpaper from your lock screen. To do so, on your lock screen, long tap on an empty area. Enter your current screen lock. And then tap wallpapers. Now scroll down the screen. Under wallpaper service section, tap dynamic lock screen thumbnail. Select the desired image pack. As a note, you can select up to 5 image packs. If the pack you select hasn't been downloaded yet, your phone will download it first before you can use it. You can also visit Galaxy theme by tapping the Galaxy themes icon at the top right. So you can buy a paid image pack or download a free image pack. Now scroll down the screen. Here you can see two options available. First, download using mobile data. You can enable this option. If you like to allow your phone to download the image pack by using your mobile data connection. If this option is off, you can only download the image pack through the Wi-Fi network connection. Second, auto update. You can enable this option if you like to allow your phone to automatically update the wallpaper in your current rotation or image pack you have selected before from time to time. If this option is off, then your phone will not automatically update your selection. As the example, we will enable both this option. Now to see the result, go to your lock screen. Turn off the screen and turn it on again. You can see that your phone will automatically change the lock screen wallpaper to a wallpaper from the image packs that you have selected before each time you turn on the screen. As we have seen how this feature works, you can choose to use this feature if you want to keep your lock screen fresh with a different image of something you like each time you turn on the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.